nature, what are we doing wrong? And lastly, animal consciousness versus human consciousness. Yeah, what is the purpose of life? There are many purpose of life. If 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 someone is doing something, it has its own purpose. And here are the some basic purpose: to find happiness, finding good version in ourselves, being kind and helping others. Moreover, being honorable, compassionate, and more importantly, living well is a beautiful journey. And there are also many purpose of life, like be happy, leave legacy, love others, create yourself a meaning, make a positive difference, have a variety of experiences. Next is, how is a human different from an animal?
रोटेट योर पीपीटी।
Yes, ma'am.
पीपीटी जो है ना उसको थोड़ा रोटेशन मोड में डालो, दिख नहीं रहा ठीक से।
Oh, yes, ma'am.
कैन यू आर रोटेट योर मोबाइल?
Ma'am,
यस
अब ठीक है.
यस यस।
The next one is, how is the human different from animal? The human has power to think. It can distinguish between right and wrong. It has good or evil deeds. It has its own ethics and principles and laws, abstract symbols and grammar. And next one is, what is our relationship with nature? If you lose relationship with nature, you lose relationship with humanity. Hurting nature is hurting yourself. All our responsibility is for protecting nature. Beautiful diversities like birds and animals, rivers and seas being the most important sources of this. Next one is the word nature. Here you can see a picture of nature which connects all the resources like forest, the river and the sky. Next one is human interrelationship. How human effect on nature, exploitation of natural resources, deforestation, extinction of some plant and animal species, loss of habitat and erosion. Next one is, what is our existence without nature? Nature and human life are connected. Can say that life is not possible without nature, and it is true. Human can't survive without nature because all the humans are dependent on nature. If there is no change, if there is no nature, our existence will be not there. The next one is, what are we doing wrong to our nature? In recent years, scientists have been carefully examining the ways of people affect the environment. They found that we humans are causing severe damage to the environment in many ways, like spoiling our air with chemicals like air pollution, cutting of trees, deforestation, acid rain, and many more problems. And here is the famous quote by Jawaharlal Nehru: life would be very dull and colorless if we did not have these magnificent plants, animals, and birds to look and play with. And last one is animal consciousness versus human consciousness. Consciousness means aspect of awareness. Awareness includes selfhood, sensibility, relationship with environment. And these slides shows the human versus animal consciousness. The human has distinguishing the human can distinguish between past, present and future. It can also feel and express strong emotions. The humans have patience, kindness and personal care. The animals have they only live in present. They have not strong emotions like humans, and they don't have these qualities. So converting from animal consciousness to human consciousness is the aim of educational system. Thank you.
वीडियो टॉपिक।
Suicidal thought prevention.
ओके 60 सुचित 68।
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
ओके शेयर योर पीपीटी।